We're here at Paradise Parking Plots in Kent, Washington. And the rain comes falling down and hits all this asphalt and picks up the oil and picks up the brake pads and runs down this asphalt parking lot. And what would normally just go down a drain away into our water supply, into the watershed, is now getting filtered by this fabulous rain garden. Here is what that looked like before.
So Paradise Parking Plots Community Garden was this old parking lot that we transformed into this vibrant community garden space. It was started back in 2016 by Tahmina Martelli, who herself was an asylee. We've actually took all that asphalt out by hand, and then we excavated all the soil out and brought in this new bioretention soil to replace all of it.
We have 5 rain gardens. This is the biggest one. It's called Reclaiming Home, and it was actually designed by middle and high school students.
On this particular one, this inflow is coming off of a parking lot. Are you doing a lot of maintenance there? Are you having a lot of debris, trash?
Yeah, you do have to do a little dig out of the inflow. The parking lot asphalt material does build up, and we'll take out the rocks, do a little digging out. That's probably about once a year.
Here we have the rain garden overflow. Very rare that this overflow would be used.
When the plants got established and everything kind of stabilized out, that actually hasn't overflowed. And we actually have minimal ponding happening even in this rain garden.
Oh, that's great. So the plants are doing the job.
They're doing the
soaking
job.
it up.
So the space is so many different things happening at once. We have stormwater management, we have a space to grow culturally relevant foods, interact with the soil, and also a place for kids and families to be outside in a safe space.
So all of the water that doesn't get captured in that first rain garden is running down to this bioswale and getting filtered before going down the drains.
And these ducks are now taking up residence also.
From asphalt runoff to duck habitat.
We're located in a place where flooding is a very prevalent thing. So not only does the rain garden and the bioswale help with the flooding aspect, it also helps decrease water pollution that ends up in the Puget Sound. And at the same time, it's also helping water the plants that actually grow and help people come together.